Hey crypto enthusiasts, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are demystifying a topic that can feel a bit complicated, but is crucial for every trader: Binance fees. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what you're paying and, more importantly, how to pay less. Let's dive in. First up, the most common fee you'll encounter is the trading fee. On Binance Spot, the standard fee is 0.1% for both makers and takers. So if you trade $100 worth of Bitcoin, you'll pay just 10 cents in fees. It's one of the most competitive rates out there, which is a big reason why so many people use the platform. But what if I told you that you could easily cut that fee? The first and easiest way is by using BNB, Binance's own coin, to pay for your trading fees. Just by holding some BNB in your spot wallet and enabling the feature, your dashboard, you automatically get a 25% discount. That simple click brings your trading fee down from 0.1% to just 0.075%. It's a no-brainer for anyone trading regularly on Binance. Now, let's talk about the VIP program. This is for the high-volume traders. Binance has a tiered VIP system from level 1 to 9. Your level is determined by your trading volume over a 30-day period and your BNB balance. The higher your VIP level, the lower your trading fees. For example, once you hit VIP 1, your maker fees drop significantly, rewarding you for adding liquidity to the market. So if you're a serious trader, climbing the VIP ladder is your key to minimizing costs. What about moving your crypto around? These are withdrawal fees. It's important to understand that these fees aren't for Binance to make a profit. They cover the network transaction costs required to move the cryptocurrency from your Binance wallet to another wallet. These fees vary depending on the crypto and the network congestion at the time. A pro tip here is to check different networks. For example, withdrawing a stablecoin like USDT on the Tron network TRC-20 is often much cheaper than using the Ethereum network ERC-20. Always check your options before you confirm a withdrawal. Let's quickly touch on Binance futures. The fee structure here is a bit different. Because you're often trading with leverage, the fees are even lower. For USDT margin futures, the standard maker fee is 0.02% and the taker fee is 0.05%. And guess what? You can also get a discount here by paying with BNB. You'll get a 10% discount on your futures trading fees, which really adds up when you're trading frequently. So, let's recap the top ways to save. 1. Enable the Pay with BNB option for a 25% discount on spot trading. 2. If you're a high-volume trader, keep an eye on your VIP level to unlock lower fees. 3. When withdrawing, always compare the fees on different networks to find the cheapest route. And 4. Don't forget the BNB discount for futures trading as well. Understanding fees is a fundamental part of being a smart and profitable trader. It's not the most glamorous topic, but mastering it puts more money back in your pocket. I hope this breakdown has made Binance fees crystal clear for you. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto guides and tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or what topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching and happy trading!